Hi everyone. In today's video, the I'm going to talk about Elon Musk. Um, okay. Personality. I had no idea who this person was, but when I investigated a little more about him, I realized that he is quite an important person in the business world. I'm CEO of some company, which I am not sure if it's presently here. I was very impressed to see all the companies. However, the one that caught my attention the most was to see that one of their business is Tesla Motors. And since I did know this company, but I did not know that had much to do with it this likewise the PayPal company surprised me and I think is a business tycoon since there are incredible and well-known company. Um, um, just having companies like Tesla Motors in his power already makes him have a big impact around the world. Having so much power, he can innovation as much as he wants and makes many things possible. And I suppose that he knows how to invest it very well. Since with so many companies, he has now to manage and multiply it. It's interesting how he has managed how many he has managed to achieve so many things by being innovation and disciplination, which in my opinion is is the main thing to success. And, and finally, if I were a millionaire, I would divide my money into three parts. The first part I would invest in a business and or company in order to generate more income or and multiplication it. The other part I will save in the case of an emergency to be able to count on it. For example, if I need investing in another business, there would have that reserve. And lastly, spend what is left of the money on small things that you want or on sometimes it's a productive and I know will be substantive. Thank you. Bye.